If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or stuck in your head, you're in the right place. This gentle EFT tapping session is here to help your body slow down and feel safer again. Let's start with 2 slow breaths together. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. We'll do that again. Inhale and a longer, slower exhale. Now you can start tapping on the side of your hand. Even though my body feels anxious right now, I'm open to feeling a little calmer. Even though there's a lot going on inside me, I'm safe to slow down in this moment. Eyebrow point. This anxiety I'm feeling, side of the eye. All this tension in my body, under the eye. My mind racing, under the nose. This uneasy feeling, under the mouth. So much happening inside me. Collarbone point. I notice where I'm holding it. Under the arm. This anxiety in my body. Top of the head. Just noticing it without judgment. Now back to the eyebrow point. It's okay to slow down. Side of the eye. I don't have to solve everything right now. Under the eye. My body can begin to soften. Under the nose. I'm safe in this moment. Under the mouth. Letting my nervous system settle. Collarbone. Allowing a little more ease. Under the arm. Breathing space into my body. Top of the head. Choosing calm, one breath at a time. Now back to the eyebrow point again. I am here right now. Side of the eye. I am supported. Under the eye. My breath is steady. Under the nose. My body knows how to calm. Under the mouth. I don't need to rush. Collarbone. Letting anxiety loosen its grip. Under the arm. Trusting this moment. Top of the head. Feeling more grounded and calm. Now you can stop tapping and take a slow breath in and a full breath out. Now if you want, you can stay here with the music for a minute or two, or gently return to your day whenever you're ready.